I wish I got this factory custom sooner. The tank coat tractor as a 1:55 scale looks absolutely incredible, although it'll be a little bit different to its official release if it ever got released, because it was actually cancelled in late 2018/19, just before the change to Blue Desert. But we do have this factory custom here. There is also an official Disney Store release of this guy. I'll throw an image of what that looks like in the corner or in the middle of your screen. Sadly, I don't have that one because it is one of the rarest Disney Store releases in recent time. Never came over to the UK, so yeah, when I do get my hands on that, it's gonna cost a pretty penny. I still haven't managed to find one at all. But yeah, this is based on Rich Mixon, the tank coat racer, which we can see here in at the background. I will compare it to this guy in a few minutes, but on the side of your screen is where he appeared in Cars 3, right next to Cruz Ramirez in her Daydream. I have seen some customs of this one made, and also some customs of transforming Rich Mixon. I think Car Shifter also made one. Shouts to him if he does watch this video. I'll throw an image of his custom as well, which was made before this factory custom even was released. So I guess it's even easier to make a custom now of the transforming Rich Mixon. But yeah, here is the tractor. We can see a very, very nice expression, like a worried expression. Really cool. We can see the pink there, which is like a sort of dark pink turning into purple. We got the tank coat logo there on the top. If I zoom in, you can see tank coat, reads tank coat. We got the stack here. We got piston cup there on the side in this nice little white there. We can see the sponsors, Combustor, Carbon Cyber and Synergy. We've got the engine, the arrow, the usual stuff, the little Lightyear tyres there on the front, which I find very funny. We've got this metallic wheel on the back here. There's the eye expression. You can see the mouth expression here. We'll talk about that in just a few seconds here. We've got the 36 on the top. And on the back, the rookie racing stripes, because, Rich Mixon is a rookie in Cars 3. Again, 36. And I like the back, or the base here, in this very nice metallic, sort of maroonish colour. Really dark pink, purple. It is completely different to the tractor itself, but overall a really cool factory custom. Here is a look at the other side. You can see the very nice wheels and the fenders up there on the top. But yeah, there is the Rich Mixon tractor. But before I do compare him to the other Rich Mixon variant, we have some other factory custom tractors, as in the Viewzine one, which was the most recent one before. We have the Easy Idle one. Pretty cool stuff. It's got some dog hair on him because my dog is annoying. I'll probably just leave that there for now. There we go. They look really cool. We also have the M Fast Fong Rev and Go tractor as a factory custom, and also we have the clutch aid as well. So we got 5 factory customs as tractors so far. And then we also have other ones that are official releases. We also have all those 4 that I just showed as official releases. But yeah, the expression of the official releases will have this sort of like open mouth here, so you could clearly tell the difference between the bumper save and the shiny wax and the sputter stop tractors. I'll leave a link into the top right of some of my older videos for the tractors when I reviewed them. I reviewed these 3 guys separately because they don't have factory customs, and then I also reviewed, I guess, the other tractors as well. Yep, we also have the Disney Store Mood Springs one, which is available as a single in the US and in a 2-pack with JP Drive in the UK. Really cool stuff. So I guess they based the tractors from the Disney Store with the closing expressions, which I guess is more accurate. But I really do like the Mood Springs tractor. It is one of my favourites. I do like how it says Lightyear tyres on the back, which is more accurate to, the 1:55 scale official releases, because even the tank coat one doesn't have that. But yep, going on to a comparison with Rich Mixon now. This is also the fake factory custom one, which was released in 2024. You can see just made in China, the product code, which I guess is the official product code for the official releases. You can go check out my video of Rich Mixon variants in the top right hand corner. I have like 7 different ones of him, and yeah, he looks really cool. We can see here the 36 tank coat. Again, the rookie racing stripes are accurate. Cough Tim Treadless. When will Mattel add rookie racing stripes to Tim? Probably never, but you know, it would be nice to see some customizers out there just doing a quick customized version of him. Yeah, that is pretty much the end of today's video. I did want to try and make this video 8 minutes long because that's the average length of some videos, but 6 minutes is long enough. Anyways guys, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Until the next video, peace everybody.